Hello team, I'm going to show you in this video how to create purchase orders, and this procedure is fairly simple. So first of all, we're going to go to the menu section and we're going to go down to purchase orders. So in here you're going to be able to see all of your purchase orders with vendors and also the status for each one of them. If you don't have a vendor yet, I would recommend you first to go to the vendors tab here and create your vendor. So you can add the vendor's name, the default tax rate, and if you have terms with this vendor, you can also specify a credit limit and terms maintenance as well in this section. Once you have your vendor, we can go to the purchases section and we're going to click the add button here. So from here we can search for our customer, our vendor in this case, and we can also create it from here in case you don't have your vendor set up yet. You can create it from here and click save. But once we have our vendor, we can just click the arrow here and we can start adding products here. So we're going to start by adding 225, 55, 16. We can search here by brand, by size, by style. We can use any parameter to search in this section. So also from here we can start selecting the product. So as you can see, the system is going to take the last cost specified for this product on the last purchase order. So just keep that in mind as well once you add this product to your purchase order. In this case, we're going to take this product here. This is the product we're going to add, and we're going to add in this case 10 units, and we can specify also the cost. Very important to specify this here in this section. So once we have all this information, we can click on the plus button and it's going to add that directly into the purchase order. As of now, we already have this product, and you can also specify a bin in case you are using bins to save your tires. You can also specify where you want to save those tires in this section, the bin section. From here, you can also specify what's going to be the fixed price for each price level. That's another option that we also provide. So you can say for this specific price level, I want them to have a fixed price of 170 with 50. So once you have that information, and the system is going to add that fixed price right away on the spot. So once we have all of this, as you can see, this is the product. We can start adding more products if you want to. We're going to add another product just to keep that consistency with this example. And we're also going to add, in this case, I'm just going to add 20 of these. Okay, so as you can see, the balance is going up, and we can also add a vendor invoice number and a reference number in case you have that information. You can also add that here, and you can make these also required in case these are like mandatory fields. You can also do that in the settings section. Also, if you have a free freight cost, you can also include this in this section. So in this case, we're going to add $100, and also you can write a note with 200 characters to add in this section. So we're just going to add test note. Okay, so this is the information. We can also add an ETA. So if you're expecting these tires to arrive somewhere specifically, you can just add that information here. So we're just going to put this date right here. Okay, so the taxes are going to be applied here, as you can see also. And if you go to the save as option, you can save this purchase order to later modify it, save and close as well, or cancel directly here in this section. For payments wise, you can also go to the payment section here, the screen, and you can either send it to terms. If this customer has terms set up, you can send it directly into terms, or you can make the payment directly here. If you already paid it with cash or with any payment method, you can specify the payment method, specify the amount, the reference number. If you want to apply a corporate payment, which in this case, if you select this box here and you make a payment with cash, it's not going to show in your closed daily sale. It's just going to be marked as corporate payment. It's not going to affect your closed daily sale in this case. We're just going to unmark it. And we're going to send it to terms because we want this to be sent to a balance due for this vendor, so we can keep track of how much we owe to that vendor. So once we have all this information, we can go ahead and receive and close, and the system is going to close automatically that order. From here we can print it or close the order itself. But once we have all this information already set up and the order has been closed, we can go ahead and look for our products. So I'm just going to duplicate this tab, and I'm going to go directly into products and services. And I'm going to search that manufacturer product number. So as you can see, here's the purchase we did. So here's the order, the purchase order, 1769. And as you can see, once we click here, we're going to be able to see the details of this purchase order. But as you can see, those 10 tires have been added to the stock for this particular product. And we can also confirm with the other product. And here we should be able to see news first. Here's the purchase, the 20 units we just purchased. And here's the purchase order reference number. But as you can see, the procedure is fairly simple. This is how you can create purchase orders within Tire Base. And if you need any other detail, or if you need further assistance with this procedure, make sure to contact us and we'll be glad to help you. Thank you so much and have a great day.